Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. I saw that a lot of you guys like to use Tiger Brokers using the mobile app. So in this video, I'll show you how to use Tiger Brokers mobile app so that you can buy your stocks, go to the moon and what big. I'll do a step-by-step guide on how to sign up, fund your account, buy stocks, and if your stocks have gone up 1000%, I'll show you how to sell your stocks and withdraw your money so that you can go live at some Sentosa beach. Finally, I will give you some tips and tricks on using Tiger Brokers. Before I start, I would greatly appreciate it if you can help to tap the like button because it will help out with the channel. In return, I will show you a cute tiger. Alright, let's jump right in. Signing up is pretty easy. If you need a Tiger Brokers referral link, you can use mine down below. Then, if you deposit 2,000 Singapore dollars, you'll receive one free Apple share worth around 148 US dollars now. They will also give you a Singapore stock voucher worth $5, which is something. But remember, your first deposit needs to be at least $2,000, yeah? If you deposit $199 instead, then you won't get your free Apple share already. Okay, yeah. From my experience, Tiger Broker sign up time is super fast, and if you have SingPass, it's even faster because they will help you fill out a lot of stuff. The approval should be done within 1 hour, so let's fast forward by 1 hour.
1 hour later.
Congrats! Now that your account is finally approved, let's buy some stocks. And to buy stocks, you need to have money. So let's fund your account with some money first. In the app, tap on Trade, tap Deposit, deposit with SGD. If you have DBS or POSB, you should definitely use DDA because the money will arrive in just a few minutes. But if you don't have DBS or POSB, then you have to choose bank account. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do it via bank transfer just in case you don't have DBS or POSB account, yeah? My bank account is in Singapore, so I will choose Singapore bank account. Okay, let's head over to your bank app. I'm using DBS, so I will just show you how to do it in DBS app. Tap on Transfer Money, add local recipient, bank account. For recipient's name, you can just enter Tiger Brokers. For bank, head back to Tiger Brokers, it says DBS Bank. So you will choose DBS. For account number, go to Tiger Brokers, copy the recipient bank account number, head back, paste it in, then tap Next. Tap Add Recipient now. Alright, you have added a recipient. The next step is to transfer money through your account. So tap on Transfer Money, Tiger Brokers, choose your account, then how much you want to transfer. Let's try with $1 million. Just kidding, we are not some Saudi prince, so we don't have that much money. But let's start with $2,000 because we want to get that free Apple share. Tap Next, tap Transfer Now. Once you are done, head back to Tiger Brokers, tap Funds Remitted, inform Tiger to check. If you haven't added your bank account, you can just tap to add. Fill in all the bank info. For bank account type, if you are using multi-currency accounts like DBS Multiplier, just choose multi-currency account, yeah? Once you have added your bank account, choose your remittance currency. Mine is in SGD, so I will leave it as SGD. Then enter how much you transferred. Since I transferred $2,000, I will enter $2,000. They will also need you to screenshot your transfer receipt. So you can go back to the bank app to screenshot, then upload here. Once you are done, tap Submit Deposit Notification. For normal bank transfer, in most cases, the transfer will arrive within few minutes. So you will just have to wait. Here's a tip, you don't have to keep checking your account because once the money has arrived, Tiger Brokers will send you an email that looks something like this. Alright, let's head back to Tiger Brokers app. To buy your stock, under Quotes tab, tap on the magnifying glass icon. Search for the stock that you want to buy. Let's try Palantir. Tap on the heart icon to bookmark it so that you don't have to search for it every time. Tap on the stock and you will come to this page. At the bottom, tap on Trade. Let's try to buy 1000 stocks. You'll see that Tiger Brokers is saying that if you buy this stock, there will be a $24,000 loan. If you try to buy, it will also warn that you are on high leverage. Why? I thought I got enough money? There's a reason for this. Let me show you. Go back out to the main page, click on Trade. Here, you will see that I have $2,000 worth of USD. So by right, it should have enough money, right? Let's click on Account. At the bottom, you will see that actually all the money is in SGD. I don't have much in USD. And because Palantir is a US stock, you will need to buy in USD. And because I don't have enough USD to buy the stock, Tiger Brokers be like, let me give you a loan. To fix this, you will need to convert your SGD into USD. Click on Exchange from SGD to USD. Enter in how much you want to exchange, then start exchange. Alright, now you have enough USD to buy the stock. Let's open Palantir again, tap Trade. Before we buy, I want to show you a few things. There's a lot of order types here, but I will explain the two main ones to you. Limit order and market order. For limit order, you can choose what price you want to buy the stock at. You can do what you always do in carousel and lowball them. You can set your buying price to $1. Sure, no problem, but you wait long because nobody wants to sell Palantir to you at $1 and you might never be able to buy the stock. So you should set a more reasonable price, like maybe $24 instead. Okay, so that was limit order. If you choose market order, you won't be able to enter the price. Instead, you will get the current best possible price. Like if the best price right now is $25, then you will get the stock at $25. If the best price now is $26, then you will get at $26. Okay, let me just show you how to buy in limit order. So I will change it back to limit order. Let's try 10 stocks for now. The minimum amount is different for every country. For example, in US, you can buy minimum 1 stock. But in Singapore, you have to buy minimum 100 stock. And for Hong Kong, the minimum depends on stock price. As for time in force, you can choose whether this buy order is only for today, which means if the order never gets matched today, you will get cancelled today. Or you can choose good till cancelled, which means the order will be around until it gets matched or until you go and cancel it. Next, fill outside regular trading hours means whether you want to buy the stock even when the market is closed during pre-market and post-market. That means you can still trade in Singapore's time zone and don't have to stay awake to trade US market. Okay, tap place buy order. Check everything is alright, then confirm. If you go to trade, click daily orders, you'll be able to see all your trades. If you successfully bought the stock, then you can see under my holdings tab. I have 10 Palantir now. At the top is Palantir's current price. At the bottom is the average cost of my holdings. But I bought at $24.80 leh. Why the total cost is $25.04? That's because of commissions. If you check the transaction, you'll see there's a $1.99 commission. So that's why the total cost is slightly higher than the buying price. Alright, the next step is to sell the stock. So let me quickly show you how to do that. Tap on the stock that you just bought, then tap trade. To sell the stock, you can either tap sell or close. It's the same thing. But remember, if you want to sell the stock, you tap on sell. Don't blah go click buy. Everything is exactly the same as previous. Enter how many stock you want to sell, then tap place sell order. Once you have sold, you will see the money in your account, but you won't be able to withdraw it immediately because Tiger Brokers has a T+2 settlement time, which means it will take 2 business days for the money to arrive in your account. Once the money has arrived in your account, you can withdraw it. But if you want to withdraw SGD, you will need to convert your USD back to SGD. So let's quickly do it. Go to Trade tab, tap Currency Exchange. You want to convert USD into SGD. Choose the amount, then exchange. Go back to the main page, tap on More, tap Withdrawal, withdraw SGD, choose your bank account, and enter how much you want to withdraw. For withdrawal reason, just choose anything you want. It doesn't really matter. For note, it's optional, so enter anything you want. I will type in what are. Tap Next, go through some security checks, then you are done. Your money will arrive within 1 to 3 business days. Alright, that was a great tutorial on how to use Tiger Brokers to buy and sell stocks to what big. But let me share some tips and tricks on using Tiger Brokers. Tiger Brokers has a very active community where you can discuss about stocks with one another. Basically, it's like Wall Street Bets, but it's right in the app itself. To see it, you can tap on your stock, then tap on post to see people talking about the stock. Otherwise, you can also go to the community tab to see the discussions. Second, Tiger Brokers has tasks that you can do every day to earn points. Go to Me, tap on Tiger Coins. They have daily login, daily missions, and achievement missions, which can then be used to exchange for stock vouchers. Stock vouchers is basically cashbacks whenever you buy a stock, so they will offset a bit of money whenever you buy stock. Alright, so that was some tips and tricks on using Tiger Brokers. Hopefully, this video is useful. Like, share, and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.